Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pair a Bluetooth device with this laptop. First, tap on the three icons on your status bar, then to enable Bluetooth, make this icon turn the blue color by clicking on it. Then click on the arrow icon next to it to see the list of available devices. To see your device on this list, you have to put it in the pairing mode. I cannot tell you how to do that since each Bluetooth device has its own way to enable the pairing mode. So read the manual to get to know how to enable pairing mode on your device, and then you'll surely see this on this list. Click on it to connect to it, and this way you'll be connected with your Bluetooth device. By clicking on it again, you'll be able to disconnect from it, and by going to more Bluetooth settings, then clicking on the three icons in the top right corner of this device window, you'll be able to remove the device forever. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.